So over here you can see that I got this particular shape right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and add in fill color for this. So I'm going to go around over here under fills, and here you can see that there's this color right here. So now the color for this particular shape is blue. So if I were to go around and click right here and change this out to green over here just like this, then you can see that I can go around and change it out. Apart from that, you can see that you can change around the opacity, that is the transparency level of this particular color as well. And you can also go around and choose from these color options over here that you see. You can also go around over here and add in a hex code right here or RGB code right here just like this, and then change this out. Let's say for example, if I were to type into 55 right here, you can see that it changes out into yellow right here. So if you know the code, you can go around and then add it out. There's the color picker tool right here, as you can see. So you can go around and you choose any color right here, as you can see right here, and then utilize that as well. So let's say for example there's this color, so click on it and it'll take the color picker and then use the sample for the color right here just like this. So you can go around over here, take this color for example right here from the space just like this, click on it, and that color will be applied right here. Then you get the opacity over here as well. So that is what you have, as you can see right here. So this is the fill over here, as you can see. So apart from the fills right here, you can see that you can go around and choose linear gradient right here. Then you get the gradient option, as you can see right here. So you get the gradient over here just like this, and that is filled out now. So you can go around and choose different color for the gradient over here, and you can change around the angle of the gradient as well. So you can go around and choose this point, choose another color over here just like this as well. Let's choose another point and choose another color over here just like this as well. And this is what you have, as you can see. You can go around and change around the gradient as you like right here and get the effect you want for the different points over here. You can go around and click to add in a fourth point as well and add in another gradient right here just like this. So you got this effect right here. You can go around and choose the points and delete it out as well so that you don't have more points in the gradient. So that is what you have. Apart from that, you have the radial gradient as well. So you can see that it is radial right here. So you can go around and change around where you want the radial gradient from. You can add in points just like this right here. And then this is more like a radial, as you can see right here. You can choose around the starting point right here just like this and then work around with it, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here, choose around the gradient, as you can see right here, and change this out. So apart from that, you can also add in an image over here, as you can see right here. So this is the image right here, as you can see. So you can also go around and add in an image as you like. So let's just go around and click, and you can see that you can go around and choose, let's say for example, tube right here. And then what happens is that it simply adds in the image over here in the fill. Let me just go around over here onto image right here, just like this, and then go around and select out, let's say for example, this image right here and click on open. And what happens is that that particular image will be used as a fill color, as you can see, just like this. So that is what you have right there. And that is how you can utilize the image right here, just like this as well, and then work around with it. You can use them as your fills. So here you can see that you can go around and remove out the background and then vectorize pixels, but these are more premium features right here. Now that is how you can work around with the fill color options, as you can see inside of Vectr. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.